Birds. We got both of them rolling back. Mission start. We're starting the APU. My aircraft.
Your aircraft.
Get at the QRH.
Priority left.
Loss of thrust on both engines. Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is Cactus 1549. Hit birds. We've lost thrust on both engines. We are turning back towards the Guardia.
Okay, you need to return to the Guardia. Turn left heading 220.
220.
Which engine did you lose?
Both engines.
Remaining engine mode selector ignition. Ignition.
Ignition.
Thrust levers confirm idle.
Idle.
Airspeed up under relay 300 knots. Won't have that.
No.